Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we dive into the latest innovations in home cleaning. Today, we're looking at the ECOVACS DEEBOT X2 Combo Robot Vacuum and Mop. This is not your average robot vacuum. This one packs a punch with features that are designed to not only clean, but to make cleaning as effortless as possible. It combines a powerful vacuum with a mop, all under one sleek design. Let's break down what makes this product stand out in the crowded world of home cleaning. The ECOVACS DEEBOT X2 Combo is a robot vacuum that promises a whole new level of convenience. It offers an impressive 8,700 pH suction power, which is great for picking up crumbs, dust, and even pet hair on both hard floors and carpets. For pet owners, this is especially important. No more worrying about embedded hair on your carpets or floors. The vacuum also features an extended 200mm roller brush that's designed to minimize hair tangling, so you're not constantly cleaning the brush. But that's just the start of what this vacuum has to offer. One of the standout features is its dual auto emptying station. It allows the robot vacuum to empty its dustbin automatically, saving you from the hassle of manual cleaning. And to keep things hygienic, the station uses hot water to wash and dry the mop after every use, making sure that you're not just moving dirt around, but actively cleaning it away. The mop even lifts automatically by 15mm when it detects carpet, so it can vacuum carpets without mopping them at the same time. No need for manual intervention. This is an intelligent solution for mixed flooring in your home. Filtration is another area where the X2 Combo excels. It uses a 4-stage filtration system, including a HEPA filter that captures up to 99.97% of fine dust particles, making it a solid choice for households with allergy sufferers. It's designed to prevent clogging, and the cyclone structure helps maintain suction power, ensuring efficient cleaning across different surfaces. Whether it's dust, pet hair, or crumbs, this vacuum is designed to handle it all. In terms of usability, the vacuum is built for ease. The setup process is straightforward, and the vacuum is smart enough to adapt to your home. It uses a dual laser LiDAR navigation system, which is a significant upgrade from standard infrared sensors. This system allows the vacuum to map your home, navigate obstacles, and clean areas under furniture with precision. It even has the ability to recognize obstacles like partially open doors and moving people, making it a great option for busy homes. When it comes to real-world testing, I took the X2 Combo through its paces. First up, hard floors. It did an excellent job picking up fine dust, crumbs, and pet hair with minimal effort. The suction power of 8,700 pH is definitely noticeable. It was able to pick up everything in its path without having to make multiple passes. The mopping feature works just as well. The dual rotating mop system is designed to replicate human hand motions, scrubbing away dirt and oil, leaving the floors sparkling clean. Next, I tested the vacuum on carpets. The 15mm auto mop lift is a game changer here, as it avoids wetting the carpet while still providing strong suction to remove debris. It's a smooth transition from floor to carpet, and the mop lifting mechanism works seamlessly without the need for manual input. One concern I had was the vacuum's performance on long hair. Since it has a special brush designed to avoid tangling, there was no hair wrapped around the roller, which is a major win for pet owners. Now, let's talk about the noise. The X2 Combo operates at a relatively low noise level for a robot vacuum. It's not silent, but it's certainly quieter than many other models in its class. This is a big plus if you have a household that needs to maintain a quieter environment, whether for napping kids or working from home. In terms of maintenance, the X2 Combo is very user-friendly. The auto-emptying station does most of the work, and cleaning the mop is a breeze with the hot water wash and drying feature. You'll need to clean the filter from time to time, but the overall maintenance is minimal compared to traditional vacuums that require frequent manual intervention. What about the downsides? Well, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. The price point might be a bit higher than some basic robot vacuums, but when you consider the features and convenience it offers, it's justified. The battery life is solid but not exceptional, lasting around 2.5 hours, depending on your floor plan and cleaning mode. If you have a larger home or particularly dirty floors, you might need to recharge it midway through. Now, in terms of value for money, the ECOVACS DEEBOT X2 combo sits in the higher-end range for robot vacuums, but you're getting a lot for your investment. It's a versatile cleaner that not only vacuums but also mops, comes with intelligent navigation, and offers self-emptying and self-cleaning features. It's built for those who want a hands-off experience and are looking for a high level of convenience and performance. Comparing it to similar products in the market, it's clear that the X2 combo offers a unique set of features. Other robot vacuums in this price range might offer strong suction or good navigation, but few combine vacuuming, mopping, auto-emptying, and self-cleaning all in one. It's certainly an investment, but for those who want top-tier performance with minimal manual effort, it's a solid choice. In terms of build quality, the X2 combo feels well made. It's sturdy and solid with premium plastics and a sleek design that blends well into most home decors. The mop and roller brush are easy to maintain, and the dustbin is easy to empty, especially with the auto-emptying station doing most of the work for you. To wrap it up, the ECOVACS DEEBOT X2 combo is a great option for those who want a hands-off cleaning experience with a high level of automation. It's perfect for pet owners, allergy sufferers, or anyone looking for a versatile vacuum and mop in one. While it's not the cheapest robot vacuum out there, its feature set, intelligent design, and ease of use make it well worth the investment for the right user. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in the ECOVACS DEEBOT X2 combo, check the comments box for the link. Feel free to share your thoughts or ask any questions you have in the comments section below. Until next time, happy cleaning!